This is the vinyl and this is the carrier sheet. And then you just carefully pull. And there you go. This one you can actually tell the carrier sheet. We're cleaning up all the negative pieces that we don't need. And then we want to look at it, make sure we didn't miss anything. It doesn't look like we did. It's starting to look so cute. You just take and pull. Carefully, y'all, of course. Take out all the moisture out of the shirt while you make your little line. And you can also turn around and flip it in and you'll get a middle point. And then voila, there goes your middle point. You see how this line is the guide for your center. And you peel slowly. Like that. Put it down. And there goes my little bee. It's almost done. Without the carrier sheets. And there you go. Like and share. And if you want to see me making more shirts, please let me know. Thank you.